Hey, good morning, gentlemen. Again with the Onward Men Podcast. My name is Richard Mugica, and I am the founder of this podcast. And it is built specifically for men, high-performance men that want to go to the next level in income and impact and fulfill your God-given purpose. And today, gentlemen, like every Tuesday, is Mindset Tuesday. Because if you get your mind right, you will get your life right. And that is for sure. I actually have this bracelet from a man named Todd Durkin, but the bracelet here says, get your mind right. And gentlemen, it is so true. And if you can, write this phrase down really quick before we get started, is that everything is mental. Let me say that one more time. Everything is mental, gentlemen. Wherever you are in your life right now, that is where your thinking has led you. I'm going to say that one more time because it's that impactful. Is wherever you find yourself in your life right now is where your thinking has led you. So what does that mean, gentlemen? That means if you change your thinking, you can change your life. It's as simple as that. And one of the most powerful ways that you can put this into practice is by shifting your focus. And today, guys, it is such an impactful message, and I don't want you to miss it because the content's free. I don't want this not to change your life because the content is free. But get this, gentlemen, that when you shift your focus will dictate what happens. Your focus will dictate the environment that you find yourself in. Your focus will dictate the amount of income that you make, the amount of influence that you have, the relationships that you deal with. And all the good things, all the bad things in your life is shaped by where your focus goes. If your focus is on the negative, then you will only see negative and you will only attract negative outcomes in your life. If your focus is on the positive, then you will only see positive and you will only attract positive outcomes in your life. We are magnetic beings, guys. We are filled with energy, right? And that's the way God created it. We are electrons and protons. There's no doubt about it. And your energy will create things in your life. And this is not woo-woo, guys. I don't believe in woo-woo stuff. I'm a man of faith. And this is legit stuff. Wherever you put your focus, you will start attracting into your life. So, where is your focus today, gentlemen? The question that you all need to ask is, where is your focus? This is what I noticed with a lot of people, is that life circumstances hit and they live by their circumstances. They're always focusing on the circumstances in their life. If they have no money in the bank account, where are most men's focus? Their focus are on, I'm poor, I got no money in the bank account, I got no money in the bank account. And therefore, they will always be trapped with no money in their bank account. Why is it that the people with no money are the ones that are always thinking about having no money? It's because that is the trap of life, guys. You shift your focus, you will shift your life. You could have no money in your bank account right now, but if your focus is on how can I have a lot of money in my bank account, how can I have more abundance into my life, you will start doing the things to bring more money and abundance into your life. It is that simple, gentlemen. Your focus is very important. Like Tony Robbins says, where your focus is or where your attention is, energy flows. And so where is that energy being poured out today, gentlemen? If you want to change your life, if you want to change your life in your relationships, in your money, in your finances, in your spiritual life, whatever it may be, you need to start shifting your focus and getting your head right. It is mightily important, and it took me a long time to understand this concept thoroughly, and it sounds very simple. It sounds too simple, but at any time, guys, you are the thinker of your thoughts. You are not your thoughts. You're the thinker of your thoughts, which means you can change a thought like this, which means you can put your focus somewhere else in a blink of an eye, guys. All right, and they teach pilots They teach pilots this in pilot school, that when they simulate crashes, and they always tell a pilot that when you're about to crash, you don't put your focus on where you're about to crash, you put your focus on where you want to be next. So if you're going down and you really want to start going back up, you don't put your focus going down, you put your focus going back up, because where your focus is, energy flows, guys, and they can lift the planes back up in times of uncertainty. That's how important it is. And there's so many studies on this, guys. There's so much good evidence on this, that if you want to change the outcome, the environment, the things that you have in your life, and you want to start manifesting better things, you need to start shifting your focus. I know I'm being repetitive, but repetition is the mother of skill. And if you put this into practice, if today you start shifting your focus from the bad to the good, from the lack to the abundance, from the scarcity to all the great things, your life will change. I guarantee you, gentlemen, it's that simple. So with that being said, I want you to move with passion today. I want you to move with purpose today. Never back down. Keep moving forward. And as always, if you enjoy the podcast, make sure to rate and review it. And if you want to scale your income by 10x, if you want to scale your impact by 10x and fulfill your God-given purpose, then I invite you to go to richardmugica.com/man up to apply there. And we will see you soon, guys. We're out.